Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at Skyworks, SWKS, on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames, do a little bit of technical analysis, because that's what we do here at StockBookie.com. Let's get right into the daily chart. Right off the bat, I look for uptrends or downtrends or any possible trend in these stocks. So right here I see this. Not bad. You have nice spacing, but then you start getting choppy, sloppy, and that's telling me we're making a possible rounded top on this equity. First thing I'm looking at, we were making a high, then a higher high, then we made a higher high, now we're actually making a higher low. And who knows, if we keep doing that, that tells me this equity could possibly go down. We have another thing we look at, the MAs here. We're consolidating under the MAs in a downward sideways action. Downward, that's a Fibonacci, but downward, sideways, and then sideways like this is bearish. If it goes up and goes sideways like that, that's bullish. So what the problem is with this one is you have the MA starting to curl, and that's going to set the fuse to the downside. If it gets above these MAs and closes above this big sell candle there, then we can respect this a little more. But if it gets up into the double top area, I'll short it again. I would love for this thing to retrace back into this area to short, but I don't think we're going to get it personally. But again, this is my opinion. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly, confirmed under the 20 MA here. Now I'm thinking right to the 85, 84 level. I talked to a gentleman or a possible woman on StockTwits, and we're thinking the same thing. So apparently they're using technical analysis or just looking at the at 50 MA and calling it there. But hey, look, we got some support in here as well, but then a little bit lower, right around 75 as well, 10 bucks lower. So let's go to the monthly, and let's see where the 20 MA, that thing's going to start curling up to probably about 70. But we have some good support right in here, right in there as well, but ugly. We close below this guy right here. Next month, even going to get uglier. This is, again, I hope we retrace back to the highs, and then we'll be short in this one. My opinion. Again, bearish under the MAs, still above the 200, but I'm thinking we're going right down to this 200. And, you know, this area is just great too, right around 75. So who knows? If this thing really sets up, I think if we hit the 20 or 200 MA, we're going to bounce. We'll probably take that as a long. I just want to see how it falls into that area, and if it's going to give us enough pop. And then we're waiting for another bearish setup to set up, and then I think we're going to head down to this and possibly that $70 level. But anyways, this is Skyworks. We're not no position, just looking at it from a technical point of view. And, you know, 85, 75, if it gets above the all-time high and confirms, then I don't know where it can go. We'll reevaluate it and go from there. Again, no position. Thanks for watching my videos. StockBookie.com. God bless. See you on the charts.